Okay, this is the project so far. We took a old water heater, cut it off, and we pulled out the pipe in the middle. And while doing that, I took out the other two little pipes that were sticking out and through the middle. Then I cut a foot off at the end here, as you can see. But now I'm going to try to find out how to put some cement in there to insulate it from the heat. I'm still trying to figure it out. Hopefully, when it's all said and done, we'll have a nice forge to make knives and swords and stuff like that. I'll be loading the videos up so people can figure out how to do what I'm doing. They might be able to make other ones like this, make their own designs, I don't know. But hopefully I'll be able to put about an inch of about an inch or two of cement all the way around. So yeah. It's weird.